Don't you wish you could quit your job, say goodbye to your boss, and spend your life traveling the world? This might have been many people's retirement plan a decade ago, but guess what? You do not have to wait till retirement to do so. Living as a digital nomad has become increasingly popular and feasible in recent years thanks to the internet. Many people are choosing to work remotely while traveling. This kind of life seems very appealing, especially to those who enjoy traveling. Furthermore, it is likely that many people watching this video wish to quit their jobs, pack their belongings, and become digital nomads. Nevertheless, the issue remains: how can I finance this lifestyle? Before you decide to take this step, it's crucial to understand what to expect financially, and we're here to help. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustler. Today we're going to talk about how much money can a digital nomad make. So, without further ado, let's get into it. How do digital nomads make money? Digital nomads are people who work and earn money online. Some of them earn far more than $100,000 yearly. This can happen in a variety of ways. You can work as an employee of a company that permits you to work from home, or as a freelancer, entrepreneur, or business owner. The point is to be able to work online while traveling. You must have a skill that you can utilize to get compensated, regardless of the type of work that allows you to live as a digital nomad. There are numerous abilities you can utilize to make money as a digital nomad, including content creation, photography, digital marketing, coding, and many others. You can monetize all of these skills and more online to fund your life as a digital nomad. You can have these talents now or learn them in preparation for your digital nomad trip. Factors that define how much a digital nomad can earn. The amount of money you can generate as a digital nomad each year varies depending on numerous factors, including job domain. A web developer's annual income as a digital nomad is not the same as a translator's annual salary. The field in which you work as a digital nomad has a significant impact on how much money you can make per year. The level of skill. Like with any other job, the more experience and higher quality service or product you provide to your clients as a digital nomad, the more they will be prepared to pay for it. Nomad experience. Your experience as a digital nomad is one of the aspects that can influence how much you are paid. Someone who embarks on the nomad adventure with no prior experience is likely to earn less in the beginning than someone who has mastered the nomad way of life. The type of client. If you provide a service to a businessman or a firm, you will almost likely earn more money than if you provide your services to an individual or a fellow freelancer. The client location. The location of your client can have a significant impact on how much money you make each year. You can lessen your expectations if your client is located in Asia, where most jobs are outsourced and can be completed at a low cost. Clients in economies where your service is expensive, on the other hand, will be willing to pay more because the cost in their local market is higher. Top 3 digital nomad jobs. Number 3. Freelance Writer. Soft skills needed: strong research skills, creativity, good communication, and understanding of SEO writing, adaptability, excellent grammar and spelling. Common tools used: a cloud-based document storage, a grammar and spell checker, a content management system, a gig website profile, a graphic design platform, a keyword ranking program, a powerful word processor. Average rates $13 to $50 per hour. Number 2. Web developer. Soft skills needed: excellent communication, teamwork, time management, organization, problem solving, people skills. Common tools used: a digital product design platform, code editors, browser console, and a powerful computer. Average rates $25 to $55 per hour. Number 1. Social media and community manager. Soft skills needed: great communication, creativity, organization, visual skills, adaptability, excellent time management, organization. Common tools used: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Analytics, an email marketing platform, content scheduling apps, photo editing software. Average rates $17 to $37 per hour. No stress. The interesting reality is that many digital nomads say that they worry about money far less than they did before becoming digital nomads. It makes sense when you think about it. A person who chooses the nomad life prioritizes living his life and experiencing new things over saving a lot of money. This is why, despite earning less in their remote work life, many nomads reported being happier and less worried. So, what's your plan to earn as a digital nomad? And which jobs are you going to take up? Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. If so, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.